A lot of you guys were asking me what I do for a living. I don't know why, because I mean it's a fancy car, yeah, but it's not a Bugatti, guys. And yes, we're doing this road after work, which means yeah, I do work a 9 to 5. Oh, nice corner there. Let's give him some space, because he's gonna be slower than me. Yeah, he has no chance. In the turns, in the straights, he's gonna be faster, but in the turns, man, I could go way faster. Here is gonna be, oh, that was a big bump. Okay, that's why he warned me. Alright, I see that. Wow, man, sun is setting. It's 7 p.m. right now here in Switzerland, and the summer feeling starting to kick in. Okay, he is a bit slow. That's alright. Let's give him some space. I'm also gonna stop talking about how, yeah, my speedo has like 10 kph difference, so I'm legally allowed to go 95 around in an 80 zone kph here in Switzerland. But yeah, people take things out of context and just say I'm driving too fast, so I may start blurring my speedo. Just because of that, I still obey the speed limits, but because of the guys that always tell me you're too fast, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. I've never driven this road, by the way, that's why he's going first. Okay, I think we're gonna turn around here. Wow, guys, the views up here are so sick as well. Oh no, there's some traffic ahead. That's a real shame, innit? That's gonna be it. He let me go. That was a nice guy. Heel toe not as good as I wanted to. Yeah, the biker in the curves, man. I do not want to sit up this guy's ass in a Citroen Picasso. Yeah, that's a real shame, man. A lot of you have been asking what I do for a living. As I said, I work a normal 9 to 5 job. For now, yeah, hoping this YouTube channel will catapult me to something different, or maybe just working part-time. Right now I'm working full-time as an aircraft diagnostic for the avionics system and for the electrical systems. Basically, I work in the final assembly for a aircraft company, and when the aircraft is built and done, I'm gonna do the diagnostics of the errors we have and then find solutions. When our team says it's okay, the plane is good, then it's gonna go on its first flight. So yeah, quite responsibilities, but it also pays decent, I would say. It's not really high for Swiss standards, but it's decent. Let's wait for a safe spot to overtake, which is not here. Wow, the view though, guys, at the sunset with the Swiss mountains, it's so nice. The road is still a straight line, so I'm not allowed to overtake. I need to wait for the straight line to end, and for this Töffli bike is already behind. Those hairpins. Of course, 4 wheels have more traction than 2. Wow, guys. That was a smooth turn, man. No slip at all. Really nicely balanced with the gas pedal and the steering. Slow is smooth and smooth is fast, as they say, yeah? So much fun. Sketchy twist. A lot of bikers having a blast up here. It's a cool road. It's a really cool road. And it's literally basically 10 minutes from my home for a quick drive after work. Whoa, it smells like wet dog here. Wow, what is that? That's the thing with cars versus bikes. In a bike, it's much easier to overtake someone like this. In a car, you need much more space. It's just not the same. Wow, the mechanical grip, guys. Beautiful sunset. M3 also having a blast up here. Really nice. Let's take the stones from the wheels. Yeah! Activate sport mode. Woohoo! Wow, guys, look at that. Oh my god. Okay, we turned around. Now we're gonna have a 6 sunset run. Woohoo, look at that. Wow, I feel so blessed, man. Wow, man. Wow. This is insane. So cool. Oh, I can smell his bike. Woo! Some blind corners still. Whoa, now he's giving it some beans, man. Saying this looks like a video game, actually it looks like a video game in real life. It doesn't look real, it's so beautiful. And yeah, about the place I work, if you want to do the private pilot's license, they're gonna give you a reduction of the price per flight hour, so that's quite nice. Which means I get about 20% reduction, and I'm really planning to doing my private pilot's license in the end of this year, starting. Which will be so cool. My god. Okay, let's go. Back at 80. towing. Second gear. Oh, that's quite bumpy actually. Whoa. This word I'm gonna say probably about 100 times in this video. Whoa, or wow. It is literally so breathtaking, man. Switzerland looks like a movie. Looks like a cartoon actually. I need to shuffle here. Smooth, man. That was a smooth turn. Oh, the bike is quite behind. Yeah, guys, I'm not on a racetrack, so I'm gonna drive accordingly. I've had this car for a while now, but it doesn't get boring. Wow. Okay, let's slow down and wait for my friend. The bike is quite behind. Again, those hairpins, not so beneficial in a bike, better in a car in my opinion, because 4 tires versus 2 tires, of course. Now we're gonna drive up the other road again because it was so good, and now hopefully with no traffic. Oh yeah, now the hairpins. Blind corner with the bike. Wow, the sport mode in this car is so cool. It allows for a little slip. Obviously I don't slip here because it's illegal. I'm gonna insert some squirreling noises and I'm gonna edit the video so it looks like it slips.